If you've ever wanted to run live instructor-led training alongside your courses, you'll love what I'm about to show you. Whether you host webinars, in-person workshops, or virtual Q&A sessions, whatever it may be, this is exactly what the LifterLMS Events add-on was built for. So, without further ado, let's take a look at how it works. If you've ever manually managed live events that are available to students of your course, you're likely manually sending out invites or finding creative, or should I say awkward, ways of dealing with live event access and calendar notifications. This creates a frustrating, disjointed learning experience for your students and a massive administrative headache for you. You shouldn't have to cobble together multiple solutions or platforms or do loads of manual work to host live Q&As or office hours as a part of your courses, especially because introducing these live components for your courses is an increasingly popular way to differentiate and add value to what your students get in addition to your pre-recorded training material and resources. As is no surprise, in an age of AI and automation, people increasingly value the ability to connect with the creators, coaches, and organizations behind the course they have purchased. To get started, first, let's get the LifterLMS Events add-on installed. Head over to LifterLMS in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add-ons and More, and select the All tab. Scroll down until you see the LifterLMS Events add-on, and then you can go ahead and click Install. And once that finishes, click Activate and then Apply. Let me pause here to say that LifterLMS Events is an add-on available to all Infinity Bundle license holders. With the Infinity Bundle, you get everything LifterLMS has to offer across payment providers, the SkyPilot theme, events, of course, our advanced coupons, quizzes, videos, and assignments add-ons, continuing education, and our gifts add-on, so you can make it possible for someone to buy access to your course for someone else for their birthday, Christmas, or any other occasion. And this only begins to scratch the surface of what's possible with LifterLMS. LifterLMS, especially with the Infinity Bundle, is the most complete learning management platform. Learn more and get started at lifterlms.com/pricing. Okay, back to the walkthrough of LifterLMS Events. In your WordPress admin area, you'll now see the new Events menu item. Click here and then click Add New Event. Give your session a clear descriptive title and use the calendar and time fields to set your precise start and end times. If you're hosting a full-day seminar without specific hours, simply check the all-day event box. Next, type your session details into the description. The details you add here will appear both on your LifterLMS-powered site as well as on the event when your students add it to their Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and so on. Next, scroll down to the location. If you are hosting an in-person workshop, just type the physical address here. If you use a custom virtual meeting software, paste your link, such as a Google Meet URL here. However, if you use Zoom, you'll be pleased to hear that LifterLMS Events integrates with Zoom out of the box. Once you connect your Zoom account in the LifterLMS integration settings, you don't ever have to leave your WordPress dashboard to create a meeting again. Just tick Generate Online Meeting under the description and select Zoom as your provider. You can enter a secure password and choose your preferred meeting options, such as muting participants upon entry or enabling a waiting room. When you hit Publish, LifterLMS Events will automatically create a brand new meeting room behind the scenes and securely drops the unique link right into your event. Finally, scroll down to the linked LifterLMS product section. This is the most important step as it relates to who can see your event and where it appears on your site. Click inside the search box and select the specific course, lesson, or membership you want this live event to be associated with. And then click Publish. And that's it. You've just created your first event. As a quick side note, you can also manage events from two other places. Directly inside the course builder, when you're editing a specific lesson, you will now see an associated events section where you can quickly jump to create an event specifically linked to this lesson. And number two is in the individual lesson editing view. You can now scroll to the bottom and toggle over to the Events tab to see any existing linked events and/or create a new linked event directly from here. For the existing events that do appear here, this is where you would be able to disassociate them from the current lesson that you're viewing. So, how do your students actually see this newly scheduled event? When you create a new course, lesson, or membership, LifterLMS will automatically add the LifterLMS Events block right at the bottom of the content area. This will automatically list any upcoming events that you linked to that specific course, lesson, or membership. If you attach an event to an existing course, lesson, or membership that doesn't have the block for some reason, you can easily manually add the LifterLMS Events block. By default, it is configured based on the context of the course, membership, and so on which the block is added. Students will also be able to navigate over to their student dashboard and then over into the My Events tab to see all of the past and upcoming events that they have access to. From this page, they can either add individual events to their calendar or subscribe to their general calendar, which will also mean that any future events that they get access to will automatically be added to their calendar. But you might be wondering, what if you want a dedicated calendar page that lives outside of your course curriculum? Simply create a WordPress page or post, click on the plus button to add a new block, and search for the LifterLMS Events block. Once the block is on your page, you have total control over what information appears. You can choose to show past events, limit how many upcoming sessions are displayed, and even enable a drop-down menu so students can easily subscribe to your calendar feed using Google, Apple, or Outlook. Only students who have successfully purchased or joined your linked course will ever see the event details. Logged out users will see the event name and date. However, if you want to customize the visibility of the events block further to hide it entirely, for example, you can do so using the enrollment visibility block setting that is available on all blocks when you use LifterLMS. This will allow you to customize whether you want everyone, enrolled users, non-enrolled users, visitors, logged in users, or logged out users to see the block in question. And that's LifterLMS Events in a nutshell. You now have 2 more reasons to offer live training as part of your course or academy. The admin overhead is completely gone, and you can now do so in a way that is seamlessly integrated with your learner experience. We'll cover the process of connecting LifterLMS Events to Zoom in a standalone tutorial that will be linked below. Meanwhile, and as is always the case, if you have absolutely any questions for us, please feel free to get in touch with us. We are here and always happy to help. And I'll see you in the next one.